Initiating simulation 043. The hardware upgrade. The ancient Greeks asked a question. If you have a wooden ship, and over the years you replace every single rotting plank, is it still the same ship? Now, apply that to yourself. If you lose an arm in an accident and get a bionic replacement, are you still you? Of course, it's just a tool. But technology doesn't stop. You upgrade your heart, your lungs, your spine. Eventually, you are 90% machine, a brain in a metal shell. But biological brains degrade. So, you start replacing the gray matter, just one neuron at a time. A slow, seamless transition to digital processors. Here is the paradox. When your brain hits 51% machine, who is in control? Are you driving the machine, or is the machine simulating you? If we replace your entire brain with exact silicon copies over 10 years, you never lose consciousness. You feel continuous. But the original biological you is gone. It was thrown in a biohazard bin, piece by piece. Did you achieve immortality? Or did you just slowly murder yourself and build a robot that thinks it's you? Simulation result: you are not the hardware. You are just a pattern. Upgrade complete. End log.